Good morning, traders. So how do we trade Bitcoin and Ethereum today? So I think the critical aspect here on the daily is that we are flirting with the 20 moving average on the daily at the moment, and I would like to see a break and hold of that in order to confirm that we have a trend change. Okay, so for now, we're still pretty much in a downward trend, and we need to break above this on the daily in order for us to be convinced that we are turning the tide on this downward move. But the signals are good. Signals are very good at the moment. So what do we have here? So this Fibonacci level that I was looking to break has broken. Okay. Now for me would be an opportunity to start looking for an entry into this market long. Okay. Obviously, I don't want to enter at this level here. I'm looking for a much better risk to reward. So what I'll be looking for is any form of pullback, and it may extend itself up to the $7,000 mark before it does pull back and allow us an entry. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm looking for at the moment. And if we just get down to the hour, you can see how we had a crossover of the 200 moving average on the hour. And what's concerning me here is that we do have some diversions on the MACD. This black line is diversions. My oscillators are grouped to the top, so that is an indication that I cannot be looking for longs at this level. I need to wait for the oscillators to turn down a bit, and I'm looking for some form of retracement. Okay, so that's pretty much on Bitcoin, but if you did get in at the bottom here, well done. And there's no reason to get out of it at this stage. So if you're long, you'd be holding this long at the moment and not worried about getting out, possibly just moving your stop up below this tail here. Okay, and you can see the oscillators are starting to group to the upside on the 4-hour as well. So I'm pretty sure that we will have some form of retracement before a consolidation and then a continuation to the upside. Okay, so let's just have a look at Ether. The Ether is very much a similar situation. You see the oscillators only just crossed over, so this move is starting on the daily. And the question is, we just need to find that entry now. And obviously, I'd like a lower entry here. So on the first pullback will be the entry. And let's have a look here. Okay, same scenario here. This 4-hour fractal that I was waiting for it to break has broken and been tested. So this is pretty much a fairly solid move to the upside. I would still like to see a pullback. Only reason being is that getting in long here, it leaves me with an 85-point stop loss, because your stop is going to need to be below the previous fractal, which is here. Okay, so if you've got an appetite for that kind of risk, then this is a good area to be long, but you're going to have a stop loss that's pretty far away. For me, I'd prefer to see the steam of this upward move run out and then pull back, and then the next lot of buyers step in and then take that move to the upside. So it pretty much just waits for me. Okay, but yep, at this stage on the hour, the move is very strong to the upside, but same thing, we have diversions and we have a grouping of the oscillators here, which to me is always indicating that there will be some kind of a retracement, which will give me a better entry on the long. Okay, so yeah, so I think for me the advice is really, if you are long at the moment, there's no reason to get out just yet. And if you're looking to get long like me, wait for the first pullback. As soon as we have that first pullback, that will be the entry to get in long, which will give you a better risk to reward. And to be quite honest, I think this move may very well have bottomed out. Okay. Obviously on the daily, we need to create new daily highs for the trend to truly change. So there's lots of time. No need to rush this at the moment. Anyway, guys, so that's my take on this. Really am still pretty bullish on this market. Just looking for a better risk to reward entry. I'll be looking for something difficult to call, but any form of retracement or consolidation will work. So if we consolidate sideways, and then you'll wait for the break of that consolidation or retracement and get in on that retracement. So that's my take on the cryptos for now. Hope it helps. And if you are long, well done. Hold on to those longs. Keep those stops pretty tight. And hang on to your hats for the ride, because I have a feeling this thing is going to burst to the upside pretty shortly. Anyway, guys, catch up with you guys later. Hope it helps. Enjoy the day, and cheers for now.